have a towel hook that pulled off the wall. The plastic anchors weren't strong enough to carry the weight. I'm going to be using a WallShark plug to support the bracket. And this is designed to hold the bracket for a towel hook or a towel bar. Your towel hook or towel bar needs to have at least a 2-inch diameter to cover the plug. Mark the center where you want your plug. The drill bit and all the parts you need come in the kit. There's a wall guide that slides into the hole, and you're going to hold it in place with 2 screws. The kit comes with a driver that has a square body that's going to fit into the wall plug, and that locks it in place. You're going to snap the sander onto the end of the plug, and this is going to sand the paint so it doesn't pull up when we drill our hole. Sand the wall for a few seconds. Remove the sander and then twist on the cutter. Drill into the drywall until it hits the tabs. The cutter then just twists off. Screw in the plug and stop when it's flush with the surface of the wall. You're going to match up the bracket to the holes. Once you tighten down your bracket, you can turn it counterclockwise to the position you need. Now you can attach your hook or towel bar. This will carry a lot more weight than plastic anchors.